Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and run the open source AI model Qwen3 on your computer. So basically you can have a chat with this AI model without having to connect to the internet, and of course it is 100% free, assuming that you're willing to pay for the electricity bill. But anyway, here's how you can do it. The tool that I highly recommend to run an open source AI model is LM Studio. Just go to lmstudio.ai. This is the URL of the website. You can navigate to this address, and basically you want to download the file to your computer. So this is the program. You can click download and then you can run the setup file. Now I actually have downloaded the setup file. I'm going to run it and I'll show you the installation process. Okay, still running, and there you go. Now let's click next, and you're going to select the installation area, but I'm going to just proceed with the default setting and just wait until it finishes. So usually it will take quite a while, and after that the program will launch, and I will guide you on how you can download the Qwen3 AI model. All right, just click finish and it will automatically launch the LM Studio program. Okay, it's freeze a little bit. Okay, I hope it's not crashing. Okay, this is the program. Right now there is no AI model at all. If you select this button, there is no AI model. So you want to navigate to this area, the discover menu, and then you want to search for Qwen3. You can actually just write Qwen3, and there are some Qwen3 variants that you could download to your computer. So one thing that I like about LM Studio is that it will tell you if the model is too big for your computer. It will automatically detect the capacity of your computer, and it will tell you if this model is too big or something that you can run comfortably with your current system. So for me, this is definitely just too big. So let's try other options, other models that are smaller. So there is the Qwen3 4B, there's Qwen3 1.7B, and there's also Qwen3 with 0.6 billion parameters. So that's very, very small. Now I want to download the smallest model, and I'll show you the process. And by the way, the process is the same regardless of the model that you are picking. And by the way, there's also some other models from Hugging Face. You can download the other variants if you want to, but I'm going to be sticking with the models available directly on LM Studio. So I will select Qwen3 0.6 billion parameter and just click download, and basically just wait for the model to be downloaded, and then later you can run this model. Alright, so the model has been fully downloaded to my computer, and now we can run the model. So I'm going to close this and then this, and if you are on this page, on the chat page on LM Studio, you can select the model, and then here I have Qwen3 0.6 billion parameter. Just click it to run the model. And basically we can start chatting with AI. And by the way, I do recommend to wait until it finishes, so AI still initialize the process until you can start using it. Now I can send any message to this model, and by the way, this actually going to use my GPU a lot. So as you can see, as soon as I start the model, it is increasing the GPU usage. So that's one thing to keep in mind. And let's try asking, I don't know, maybe let's try this question. Okay, it is a thinking model, so it will think before giving me the answer. And the performance of the model really depends on the hardware and also the model itself, but mostly the hardware. So if you're using a low-end computer, it's going to take quite a while, but if you're using an RTX 5090, then it's basically will be blazing fast. But that's basically it. Now you can run the model offline anytime you like without accessing the internet, and it is usually much less restricted compared to the web version. And of course you can download multiple models. There are many other models like Gemma, Mistral, etc., and then you can always load the model or switch to a different AI model. But that's basically how you can download and then run the Qwen3 AI model on your computer. If you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.